Welcome to Chakri Views, your ultimate YouTube partner in achieving trading success in NSE F&O and MCX futures. We are excited to showcase our recent profitable trades with undeniable proof. Let's take a closer look at the outstanding performance evaluations of last week. The Premium Trading Insights for 20th January showcases on this slide. The day ended with an overall profit stands at 44,760 rupees from intraday calls across NSE F&O and MCX futures. Bank Nifty by call securing 10,800 rupee profit and our sell trades on gold crushed it with 35,000 rupees in profits. Silver sell call hit the second target but covered it on the first. The accuracy speaks for itself. No open positions. Just another profitable day. On 21st January and 22nd, the trading activities yielded a notable profit of 41,737 rupees from both intraday and positional calls, despite the market operating within a narrow range. On 21st January, we carried forward our buy positions in silver, gold, copper, and COMEX silver. The silver buy resulted in a profit of 12,000 rupees, while the gold buy trade achieved a remarkable profit of 44,000 rupees. Additionally, our trades in copper and crude oil consistently secured gains across multiple positions. While our sell trades experienced minor losses, we maintained 4 open positions with significant potential on 21st January. On 22nd January, we opted to exit these positions with profits, refraining from adding any further trading views due to prevailing market movements. On 23rd January, we closed the day with a modest profit of 1,545 rupees from a mix of intraday trades. Highlights are a strong performance in silver sell, generating 23,880 rupees in profits. The Bank Nifty buy and sell trades delivered a combined loss of over 4,200 rupees. However, there were some minor losses in copper and crude oil. With no open positions left for the day, we are well prepared for next day's opportunities. On 24th January, our trading ideas resulted in a minor loss of 8,641 rupees for the day. A sudden decline in the NSE market disrupted our profit strategy, pushing us into negative territory. However, we effectively mitigated our losses through a well-timed system alert. The sell position in gold and silver, which generated robust profits despite the market fluctuations. We are pleased to present an overview of our weekly performance, highlighting a positive outcome. During this period, we conducted a total of 51 calls, resulting in a commendable profit of 79,401 rupees. In the MCX segment, gold and silver emerged as our top performers. In the NSE F&O segment, we did encounter some challenges. However, the overall gains from our Bank Nifty calls significantly compensated for the losses experienced. Gold showcased exceptional performance with 8 calls, contributing 87,000 rupee to our total profits. Silver similarly yielded solid results with 7 calls, generating a net profit of 26,100 rupees. Furthermore, both COMEX Gold and COMEX Silver exhibited resilience, producing impressive profits throughout the week. While our predictions for copper and crude oil did not align with market trends, leading to some losses, the overall performance for the week remained robust. In conclusion, our total revenue for the week reached 79,401 rupees, underscoring our strategic approach and the effectiveness of the Chakri Views ideologies within the NSE F&O and MCX markets. To join this profitable journey, subscribe to Chakri Views for detailed and reliable trading views. Subscribe today for NSE F&O insights at just 4,999 rupees or explore MCX futures strategies for 7,777 rupees. Or the combo pack for rupees 9,999 rupees. Don't forget to stay updated with Chakri Views across platforms. Keep trading, keep succeeding. For premium services and real-time trading success, call us today at 8778899819. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for live updates and insights. Thank you for choosing Chakri Views, where trading meets precision and profits. Kind attention to all, equity investments involve 100% market risk. It's crucial to consult your financial advisor, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This channel serves educational purposes only, and the admins are not liable for any financial losses you may incur. By being part of this group, you acknowledge the inherent risks of the stock market, MCX, and any kind of investments, and no legal claims will be entertained. Thank you.